All right, guys. All right, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? This is the Money Man. Let's talk money. How y'all doing today? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody doing great. All right. What's up with y'all today, man? So yeah. All right. We're out here. I'm out here in Miami right now. Okay. We're outside. We're in Miami right now. We're in Miami right now. So what's up? What's up? Where the money at? Now, um, today is a big day. Okay, today is a big day. We're making big moves today. Okay, we're making big moves today. Okay, today is opportunity day. We're talking opportunity today. We're talking money today. All right, guys. All right. So I came from New York to Miami. Okay, because there's some big thing going on here. All right. We have Epic 3.0 that just launched like I think 2 weeks ago. That is a new version of Epic that is in the market right now. So they have rebuilt the whole platform, okay? The signal system, the education system, all the MLM part, they have updated all the back office, okay? There's a whole bunch of information for you guys over there to go, take advantage of it. They're gonna show you how to make money, okay? You don't have to be rich to be rich, okay? You don't have to be rich to get rich, okay? So I'm saying every one of us can afford at least $1. Every one of us can afford at least $1, $2. Okay, you can get that, to go get yourself some candy or whatever the case may be. Okay, get a metro car in New York City, to get around. So the same $2, $3 that you spend at the store, you can take the same $3 and leverage, other people, that have been very, very successful doing this. You can leverage, okay, what they're doing and raise quickly your $3 and be profitable on top of it, and build wealth. That's the main goal. We're trying to build wealth. So the point of my trip right now is, to show, as many people, as I can reach, to show them how they missing up opportunities, but I can't blame them because by the end of the day, you only know what people tell you. We were all at the same stage at one certain time. So today they're releasing Unity is releasing uh, their super duper artificial intelligence scanner, okay, that will allow you guys, whoever is part of Epic, whoever is part of the Epic, whoever is member in Epic, that will allow you guys, okay, to take advantage, okay, of the scanner instead of you investing all your time. For example, for people that are busy, okay, you're busy, you don't have time to sit down to do 45 minutes after the market open. You don't have time because that's usually how people trade, right? You take 1 hour, 2 hour to make your own analysis, okay, to make your technical, your fundamental analysis. All right, so that will allow you to take different position, by predicting what's going to be the next market move. All right, so pretty much that's what people are doing now to cut the edge for you guys. Okay, that's what Unity is about. Okay, they're gonna take people and unite them together so we can make money together. That's what they mean. Unity is our wealth. Okay, so we're being rich by being united. All right, so now the problem, what I'm trying to show you guys is this scanner that they're talking about here. This scanner actually is a very, very wealthy and is one of its kind. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you guys why. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna explain to you guys because I got somebody on my line right now. Yeah, give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Um, yeah, I'm looking for this guy. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Uh, let's see. Right here. All right. All right. So as I was saying, Unity is releasing the scanner, and this scanner is one of its kind. What I mean by one of its kind is going to be incorporated inside your MT4. Your MetaTrader 4, the platform that everybody uses, okay, to trade in the forex market, they're going to release you a scanner. that allows you to go inside that MetaTrader 4 and scan the whole market. Instead of you being kind of guessing what pair you should be trading, okay, they, with this scanner, gonna allow you to go to sleep while the scanner does this kind of stuff for you. All right. All you gotta do is to choose your pair. You want to trade Japan, okay. You want to trade Australia, okay. You want to trade GBP, you want to trade US dollar, whatever you want to trade. And even they even say it's not only forex. Anything that got candle in it, okay. This candle gonna be able to scan for you, to scan that market for you, okay. So again, this is something big, guys. This is something big. So today they're releasing that scanner. Tomorrow, guess what, guys? Tomorrow is another big day. Tomorrow, we're going on a seminar, okay? Tomorrow is going to be a seminar, and it's going to be a whole bunch of multi-millionaire traders that are going to be meeting up, okay, on the same stand. When I say multi-millionaire traders, these are the executive, okay, the leaders of Epic. Those are the people that are going to be here tomorrow. They're already here, matter of fact, okay? They're already here, but they're just not in their hotel right now. The whole team is here, the whole crew is here. I'm here, Ebony is here, Masante is here, you know, all these other people, Mr. Hira, we're all here, okay? And there's a whole bunch of people from Unity that are also here, all right? So you guys are gonna get time to meet all of them. Now, this opportunity, why I'm bringing it up to you guys, okay, is because me personally, I have been trading for a little time right now. I have been trading for a little time, and I know what that have changed for me. So I want the same thing for you guys. I don't want to be selfish, okay? I want to share whatever I'm getting good at. I want you guys also to be good at it, okay? So what is happening right now, my friends that are in Epic are making money. My friends that are in Epic and Unity are making money. My friends that are trading are make money. My friends that are trading, cryptocurrencies are make money. Stock, whatever you want to trade, okay? Anything that got candle, we can be trading it on, okay, guys? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head back to my computer. Okay, it's in my hotel room. I'm gonna head back to my computer so I can show you guys a little bit how the market is doing right now. We're gonna talk a little bit about the market, how the market is doing. We're gonna talk about the forex market. We're gonna talk about the cryptocurrency market. We're gonna talk about some fundamental analysis, and we're gonna do a little bit of technical analysis. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of 30 minutes of that, and then I'm gonna start getting ready so I can go meet other people. All right, guys. 1 second. I'm just walking to my hotel room right now. I'm almost here. All right, guys. So we're gonna start with Forex. We're gonna start with Forex, and then we're gonna move to crypto. Okay. Um, First, we're gonna do a little bit of fundamental analysis, and then we're gonna do later maybe 10 minutes of technical analysis, and then which is gonna be on trading view. Okay. Let's open up the chart here. And then we're going to be ending up probably with some ICOs that's going on right now. And we're going to look at how cryptocurrencies is doing like overall. Okay. So first, let's head to cryptocurrency. Okay. Before you trade any currency, first you want to know how the currency is doing. Is there any news that might affect the currency? Is there any big news? Is there any good news about the currency? Okay, is there anything good about the currency? So you need to find that out about first. That's very important. Now, in order to do that, you're gonna need some kind of tools, which are some of these websites. Okay, for example, there's This one right here, this is the currency index, for the currency itself. And this one, oh, and this one right here is a currency strength meter. This one allows you to know which is the currency that are, go more positive way right now, and which is low strength. This one show you Euro, GBP, USD have very, very high strength right now in the market. That means they're bullish right now, they're positive. And whichever one has only 1 bar or 2 bar, that means that one is negative. So we can look at here and see how different currency is doing. Also, we got this other website here, which is Mathaf, okay? This one allows you, to have, uh, to analyze, a currency by itself. You see this one, this is giving you a currency also by itself, but in the Forex market, you're not trading the currency itself, okay? For example, if we take a USD Canada, okay, UCAD, for example, in that case, you trading the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, okay? And you can see that right now, that is on the uptrend, okay? We can just draw this right here from all these, key level, and that's, a trend right there. So this is, for example, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. And the US dollar, is the base, okay, is the base of this pair here, and the Canadian dollar is the code. So that's how you call the code and the base. And when you put both of them together, that makes them a pair, okay? Now, this website right here allows you to analyze only one currency at a time to see how that currency specifically is doing. For example, US dollar. We mean that US dollar come to 88, okay, 88 value here, that is $88. This is the 4 hour, we're looking at the 4 hour time frame right now. And then now we trace it back down, is it trading at 87 right now. And if we look at, for example, Great British Pound, which is the GBP, you're gonna see the GBP is kind of consolidating right now, okay? You can see this range, this is definitely a consolidation right now. We can do this, let's see, and just try to create a rectangle here. You're gonna see it's almost, okay, is almost within the same range. So as long as this pair doesn't get out of this range, for example, does this something like this, okay? No, not that one. Let's see this one. For example, it does something like, let's say, okay, this came from here all the way here, okay, and then came down, okay, retest, okay, this area, and then shoot back up. Now we can say this is the uptrend, okay, or this can be another scenario. For example, let's say this one can be another scenario. If it was to be bearish, okay, for example, we can be looking at this. For example, we can say, okay, I want to go bearish, but only if this one happens, okay. For example, this go all the way down here, okay, retest, and then keep going down. This might be another indication that it is going bearish. All right, so you're gonna see, you're gonna be here that the Great British Pound is being consolidating right now, is in this range. So this is different now. What if we look at, for example, the Swiss franc, for example, by itself? The Swiss franc, for example, by itself, let's say, is on the downtrend right now. You can see that when you zoom out, it is definitely on the downtrend. Okay, let me bring this up a little bit and bring my chart down, and then try to narrow it down a little bit so you can look at the bigger picture. This is the 4 hour. So it was on the uptrend, okay? It came all the way from here, one like that, all the way right here, okay? Now it's retracing down right now. It started, this is a huge, drop here, okay? It came all the way to the 162 area, and then it keep dropping. Instead of making a little bit of higher lows, to consolidate, they keep dropping. Down here it's getting weak. And now it's trying to come back up a little bit, so we're gonna be looking at it a little bit, okay? Now, so this is one website. Now the second website is, for example, this one. So if you want to trade, for example, the euro, okay, this one will show you definitely that the euro is bullish because the euro is getting more strength. The Great British Pound, same thing. The US dollar even stronger. So they're saying that the US dollar is stronger and the Australian dollar is weak.
The Japan is weaker, even weaker. Okay, so if you want to go trade Japan right now, all you gotta do is to go bearish. That's what at least this indicator is saying. Okay, all right. So let's go. Let's look at Yahoo Finance. Okay, Yahoo Finance is one of the websites that is very important. It gives you all the new tools and the news and what that is coming about. Specific currencies and stuff like that. All right. So if you come here, for example, this is a currency section. Okay, you can see here yahoofinance.com/currency. That means we're looking at different currency. When it's a currency, is a foreign, okay, foreign exchange market. So this currency you can see right here, the GPY pairs here is saying is plus $1. Okay, $0.1. So it's up a little bit. All right. So the Great British Pound against USD is down a little bit. So this one will give you different indicators. But this is about futures. Okay, this is about futures right here, and this one right here is about currencies. Okay, this is about currency. So you can come look at this market here, and see, get a lot of news from here. You can see if you want to trade this, how you go. You go negative. If you want to trade this, you go negative. You can also have different information by trying to browse the website itself. Okay, there's a bunch of different information that you can get from this specific website. Yahoo is very, very familiar. Now the next thing that I want to show you guys after that is gonna be this one. Okay, this website is called Daily Forex. All right, and this website is a very, very popular website also. Okay, and it allows you to also market. It allows you to have different analysis about the fundamental of each specific pair or currency. For example, if you look here on top here, okay, it tells you how much is the currency's pairs doing. Okay, for example, if you take the Great British Pound against the US dollar, you see that the GBP USD is up. Okay, is at 54% right now. Okay, so it's saying most of the clients on here are what? Are going net long. Okay, so they mean most of the clients are bullish. Okay, that's what this pretty much means. And you come here to GBP US dollar against Japanese yen, it's a 60%, of the traders are short, are going short. That means they are bearish. Okay, they think the market is going to go down. So this will give you an indication if you want to take a trade, what kind of trade you want to take. All right, what kind of trade you want to trade. I'll take. You want to go long or you want to go short. If this is telling you that 60% of the market is going short, that means what should you do? You want to be where the market is going. Okay, if the market is going down, you want to go down. If the market is going up, you want to go up. That's why they say the trend is your friend. So this is another great website that you can also use and leverage. Okay, so you can know what you're doing. All right. Now, enough of that. Let's talk a little bit about technical. Okay, so we can take a specific pair here and try to do some technical on it. Okay, and for example, I'm gonna go a little bit basic here. Okay, a little bit basic. I'm gonna try to do everything basic for now. So we have on the 4 hour. No, hold on. This is not the 4. This is the 5 minute. Let me go to the 1 hour first. Okay, because so we're just gonna look at the market like this. All right. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark it up a little bit. Okay. This is the market. This is called naked. This is naked. Okay. This market is naked. There's no drawing in it. There's no indicators in it. There's no Fibonacci in it. There's nothing in this right now. This is the naked market. That's what we're looking at. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do a little bit of basic. Okay. So we have here the pair that we're trading. Okay. This is the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay. As I say, USD is what? The base. CAD, which is the Canadian, that's what? That is called the quote. Okay. So both of them together is called USD CAD. That's the pair. And this one here, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. So that means every candle here, every little candle that you're looking at here is a what? 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. And what? The green mean it was up during the 1 hour, or it went down a little bit, but it ended up being green. Green mean bullish. Bullish mean is going up. All right. And then you have the red candle. This means the market went down. It started opening up here and then went down a little bit. Okay. Now, if we want, we can change this to what? To 30 minutes, where each candle is equal to 30 minutes. Okay. So that is different time frame you can be looking at in order for you to do your analysis. But it depends also what type of trader are you. Okay. Are you a long-term trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you an intraday trader? All of that. That's why you need to know in order for you to be able to figure out what type of time frame you should be looking at. All right. But most likely, okay, what people do is when you, as soon you open the market, try to zoom it out. Okay. So for example, we're gonna refresh this market. Okay. Let's refresh our chart. Now this is our chart. We have refreshed it. Okay. Now I have some drawings on here, but I'm gonna try to erase all the drawing. You got the erase button here. Okay, so I just erase everything. Now this is my naked chart. Red mean is going down, green mean is going up, and this little red line right here that you're looking at, that is where the prices actually are. And this is, for example, Bitcoin price. Okay, Bitcoin is at $34,713. Okay, now we're not talking about crypto right now, so let's not talk about Bitcoin yet. Okay, let's talk about another specific currency. We will talk about USD or Canadian. Okay, okay, but before we do that, let's go first. Let's see which pair here we can trade. For example, the Japan. Okay, you're saying the Japan is down, so we can go short on Japan. The euro is up, so anything which anywhere we see euro, that means we're going up. That's what this means. That's one. Okay, so we're gonna trade euro. Now, one of the other aspect, very important, is that okay, you wanna know the pair that you trade in, what session is that pair on. Okay, because we got multiple sessions in the forex market. Okay, we have Asian session, which we're in right now, 7 p.m. That's Asian session. Okay, and then after that we have the London session. The London session is when the London market open from Monday to Friday. Okay, that is 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and after that, the third market, what do we have? We have the New York session. The New York session, that's the United States, is including the New York Stock Exchange, the Chicago Stock Exchange, and then I think the Los Angeles, California Stock Exchange or something like that. Okay. And then these are different trading sessions that you need to know where your specific pair falls in. Okay. You want to know the pair that you're trading. For example, if you're trading Australian dollar, okay, where does this fall in? Actually, the Australian dollar is going to be falling in the Sydney session. Okay, that's in the Sydney session. The US dollar is going to be falling on the New York session. The GBP is going to be falling on the because that's European. That's going to be, what am I going to say? London session. The euro is going to be London session, and JPY, the Japan, is going to be the Asian session. All right, so right now we're on the Japan Asian session, and Japan is getting weaker, so we can trade Japan right now. That makes sense for us to trade Japan. Okay, now as we guys remember, I say let's come here, let's see how Japan is doing. JPY. Okay, boom, we see JPY is doing bad here too. Okay, it's on the downtrend, so that is confirmed. We have one website here that have told us, okay, that is going down because it's very, very weak. And we have another website here that have told us that, yeah, it's down because we see the trend is completely down. It was up, but it shot all the way down. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, maybe it's going to come all the way back to this support here. This is called a support line. Okay. So what we're going to do, we can trade this down. Okay. That is 1, 2. We have two confluences in terms of fundamental. Okay. In terms of fundamental. Okay. That is good. That is good. Now, if we come here and we go, US dollar against JPY, we see also that JPY is weak here. Okay, we see JPY is weak. We can click here to view more. You can even give us more. This is a very, very powerful website. Okay, it's called Daily FX Forex. Okay, let's see what is gonna give us. Is it going to give us? Okay, it's right here. Okay, so you see, where's the USD JPY? I was looking for USD JPY, USD JPY. Okay. Okay, USD JPY. All right, so this is the Swiss JPY. Okay, commodity, and this is, I'm not looking for none of that. I'm looking for the JPY. So we have two conferences here in terms of fundamental analysis. Now, on the technical side, we can come on trading view here, okay, and try to open, for example, what pair can we trade in the Asian session right now, and which is a little bit stronger than the Japan yen. Okay, let's come here. This is not the Asian session. This is not the Asian session. So none of them. New Zealand. Hold on, hold on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, it was some echo in the background. I'm sorry. So as I was saying, it's kind of getting a little dark here. It's kind of getting a little dark here. As I was saying, the Japan yen, the weaker one, the weakest one, we want to trade it against one of these pairs here, but we see that the euro is the strongest one here. So we can trade EJ, okay, euro against JPY. So let's go to the chart. Let's go to trading view and let's look at that one, okay? Euro, okay, against what? The JPY, right? JPY is right here on Oanda. Let's find out. You're gonna see that that should be definitely. I don't want to look at that. I want to look on, for example, 1 hour time frame. That should definitely be on the uptrend. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, you guys see. That's what I say is on the uptrend because the euro again here. The euro is stronger here. We have seen here already. Let's pull up the euro here. Euro. Okay, the euro is consolidating, right? But compared to the Japan, look at Japan. All these big red, okay? All these big red. So now, if we can even add some indicators here. Let's see if we can add. Let's add volume, okay? Let's see if we can add the volume. The volume is right here. Let's see how the volume is doing downstairs. What the volume on? Give me that volume. Give me that volume. Oh, okay. It's right here. So, all right. So we can come here. Okay. Hit indicator. Okay. And go and type in volume. We want to see what is the volume. Okay, I hit it twice. Twice. Let me delete some of this. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna add here this one. I'm gonna change this. Okay. Now we already have, now we have found that the pair that we want to trade, doing our fundamental analysis. There's another website, okay, over here that I can show you too. That's called Forex Factory. This website right here. This website will show you actually what is going on right now on the administrative side, on the government side, on politics side. You know, is there any news that can affect the market of a specific currency? Now this will be able to tell you that. Okay, so anything here you see JPY, 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 there's no red flag here. If there's any red flag here, that will allow you, that will tell you you have to be careful if you trade in the pair, that specific currency. So there's no red flag here, okay? At least for now. And the only red flag here, that is what? That is on the GBP, and that's going to be today at 4 a.m. So we're not in that session yet. Okay, so it's going to be probably interesting to be trading this today. This is actually the London session today. Okay. Now, let's see. We have found already Euro GPY. That's what we're trading, right? Now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to do a little bit of technical on this side here. Okay. So first, this is what? What is this? This is our chart. Okay. This is the chart. Now, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you guys can be able to see. Now, do you see this volume here? Do you guys see the volume? Trying to highlight the volume a little bit so you guys can. Okay, let me see inputs. Okay, all right. So on the volume side, we see that right here, a big green candle is starting to form, right? So over here, for example, when this big red candle formed, what happened? It was a big drop. So again, this big green candle formed, what happened? It was a big bullish momentum, okay? That bullish momentum went where? From here, I would say, let's do this and pull this back a little bit on this side. And now we can get our trend and try to do this. Okay, this was the trend. This was the trend. Okay, that was the trend. And then we have found the one. If we go, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, definitely. Now on the 4-hour, okay, we're gonna do this. All right, this is our trend right here on the 4-hour. Okay, that's our trend. So we can say this one was respected a little bit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, okay, of that one section. And then we have another one here, which was, you know, once a support, once a resistance, now is a support. And then we have the same thing here, okay? All right, at that top right there. And then this one is a one area that is very important. This area right here, that's where the prices are. Okay, so we can look at the price at that level. That's one of the very important level. I was just trying to show you guys, you know, the trend that we're in right now. So this one, we can complete our channel by doing this. Okay, okay, adjusting a little bit. Okay, so we can get more touches. That was our channel. All right, that was our channel. Now we are at this level. So what are we trying to do? We're trying to see where the market is going. But the market is telling us, you know, overall that we are on bullish. Okay, because after we looked at the fundamental analysis, that's why we found out that we were on the bullish market. Okay, now we're gonna try to see where we can have some different possible entries at this level right here. But most likely we're looking at the uptrend. The trend here is up on the 4-hour, is up on the 1-hour time frame, and also on the fundamental side of the analysis is also up. So we're not going to go down. We're not going to go against the market. We're going with the market, with the trend. All right. So what we're going to do, we can probably take this one. Okay. Scroll this back a little bit here. Okay. And then take this tool. I love this little tool, right? Draw it, for example, from here. Okay. Give us this. Came back here. Okay. okay, drop down to retest, okay, this area, and probably we can be heading up at this level right here. Who knows? That might be one scenario, okay? Or we might also be looking at another scenario, okay, which might be, for example, if he's on the downtrend, which is most likely not, okay, is most likely not. It can be a fake out here, okay, and then come back to the trend to retest it and drop, okay. That might be another scenario. For example, it might be like this. For example, let's take one example. Is here right now, we can be looking at this, for example, here, all right, and come back to this one and then drop all the way back here. Who knows? That might be one scenario. Because remember, there is still a section that is very important. This 130 area is very important for the price. So I'm going to change this color. I'm going to put that to red. Okay, I'm going to give that red. Let me put this red one right here. Okay, that is another possible scenario. So we can be able to trade here. Now, if we look at this, for example, if you're able to enter here, you're going to be able to get, for example, let's say, yeah, exactly. You could get a couple of pips out of this. You could definitely get a couple of pips out of this. Yeah, that's nice. And also, um, what I was gonna say, I'm trying to talk about. I don't want to talk about it honestly. I don't want to talk about it because I was trying to tell you guys, how you can use different tools, to know your entry and exit strategy. Because there's a tool here, the Fibonacci tool. You can use that tool. Actually, is in this section right here. Okay, this is it. This one right here. This is the Fibonacci tool. You can use it from here all the way to here to know where the price is most likely to reverse. Okay, and all these different levels here can be different take profits for you, and you can set your stop losses a little bit below this one, this section right here. Okay, so the price might drop all the way here, or that can be your entry level. That is the 618 level. Okay, that is a very respected level. People like to trade that level. Okay, because it's already below the 50, okay, of the Fibonacci. Now is heading toward the 618. That might be a very good level. So that's why I say this level might be an entry for anybody that want to take advantage of this. Okay, now this is a little bit of technical analysis. This will allow you to know where your entry and exits are, but of course be sure that you use your own proper risk management. Okay, like don't try to risk like 50% of your investment. Okay, this is not a financial advice. This is just to show you what I'm doing, what other people are doing. Okay, and how you can take advantage of it. Okay, if I were you, maybe a little 5%, okay, a little 2%, something like that. You can start a little bit and try to do it. All right. So enough talk. This was technical. We did fundamental. Now we're gonna talk about Bitcoin a little bit, and then we're gonna move to Epic because that's the reason why we're in Miami. We're in Miami today. Okay, we are here outside, and we're gonna talk all about money. This whole weekend is gonna be money talk. All right. Now, on the Bitcoin side, let's look at the market, how the market is doing. The market is, you see, it was earlier at almost $35,000. Now it's a little bit going towards 34,000, okay? And the whole market, it was trying to recover a little bit, okay? But honestly, we had Doji that had a little bit of up, okay? It was 15% for today, for the rest of the, 24 hours at least. And Cardano went up a little bit, but overall the market is still on the red, okay? And there's no big news. If you look at the 7 days, okay, look at the 7 days, this section right here, this is one of the important sections, okay? You're gonna see that the 7 days, all the 7 days section, that means for the whole week, the market has been down for the last 7 days, okay? And it's trying to recover, that's for the 24 hours. And the whole market cap right now is equal to 1.41 trillion of dollars. Okay, and that is up 3.88% in the 24 hours. All right. Bitcoin is still leading. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is somewhere here. Bitcoin dominance, I will show you that right here. Let's go a little bit to CoinGecko. I love that website because they give you even an hourly change. Okay. CoinGecko is also like CoinMarketCap, but CoinGecko have, a little bit of different things that they offer that CoinMarketCap don't offer, or they don't have the same similarity. Okay, So you see a little bit of difference here. On CoinGecko, the price is 4.1 actually percent increase in the last 24 hours. That is a little bit of difference. Let's refresh it because that's actually interesting. Where is my coin market cap? Let me pull this and put it right here next to this one. And I'm gonna refresh it. Okay, so we can see what's going on. See 3.39. Okay, it's refreshing. Okay, so this one is still a little bit of volume here that is being traded. You guys can see, as I say, CoinGecko is getting more, of traders, attention. So Bitcoin is at 34,500 here, and on the other side at 34,400. That is $100 difference, guys. That is $100 difference. If that means if you have 10 Bitcoin and you change it, you're gonna make $1,000 just the difference. All right, guys. That's what that means pretty much. Now, somebody's 1 second. You didn't miss nothing. Welcome. You didn't miss nothing, but you were late. So we're about to round it up. We're going to talk a little bit about this, and then I'm going to talk about Epic, what is going on with Epic right now, because Epic is where you guys need to be at. If you want to take advantage of this, you need to be in Epic. They will teach you all of this. They will give you advantage. They will help you make money while other people are making money. You go to sleep, you use $1, you use $10, and you go to sleep, you make money. All right, guys, it's literally easy like that. They give you all the numbers that you need to put in, and also they give you the education that you need. Okay, and if you want to share it with other people, you even make more money. They pay you. All right, so I'm just saying. All right, let's go. So we were talking about Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is a little bit over $100 over here compared to the price on Coin Market Cap. You guys can see 34, 35. Now it's 33. And then Ethereum, we have Ethereum, but honestly, Ethereum is, even though on Uniswap they lower the gas fee a little bit, okay, but is actually getting a little bit weaker, okay, because if you see all these other top 10 cryptocurrency, they are all, most of them all, if not all, most of them at least 5% off. But Ethereum, which was supposed to be the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, right, is only 1%. But it's, again, that's only 24 hours, okay? Don't get me wrong, that's only 24 hours anyway, it don't matter. So we also got Cardano here, okay? We got Cardano, which is doing good. Cardano is trying to say, above the 10% in the 24 hour, which is good. Dogecoin, which, I'm not too, I'm not gonna say I'm very deep on Dogecoin, but again, at least they have one use, that they say is gonna be used on the NASA, to do stuff, different type of stuff. I don't know. And we have Polkadot right here. Polkadot is one of the best right now. This is one of my best bet right now because they got a lot of upgrade coming on in the near future. And also Cardano has a very big news coming on in August. Okay, so these are the different coins that you want to look at. One more coin, no, two more coins that I want to talk about honestly. The first one is Solana. Solana is a layer 2 solution platform, right, that does the same thing that Ethereum does, and anything that works on Ethereum will be able to work on Solana platform, but they just doing it cheaper, okay? And they offer a layer 2 solution. All right, so this means Solana is what, a competitor to Ethereum. All right, and then you can see right here, they are already a what, $1 trillion $8 billion already. They have a $8.5 billion on market cap right now, and the volume is sitting at 644 million in the 24 hours. All right, it's on the downtrend a little bit. It went all the way to $40, I think 2 weeks ago. Now it's on the downtrend because the whole crypto is bleeding. The last one that I want to talk about, that is a Polygon Matic. You can see Polygon Matic, right, is actually right now the same thing as a Solana but different platform, right? But they are also Ethereum competitor. Okay, they offer different services as Ethereum does, but a little bit cheaper. Okay, and you can see if you look at the price action here. Let me show you right now. Let me show you. Let me show you how Polygon was doing. You see, guys? Polygon came. I think it was right here at this level, right here. Polygon was right here. Okay, this is like See this? $245, okay? And that price was what? Was $8 billion, okay? You went all the way up there and now you retrace it back down. So this is a very promising project, and this is on the radar of a lot of big investors, a lot of wealth that are getting into, a lot of institutions that are getting into the Matic, the Matic ecosystem right now, because it allows different DeFi projects are also to be, taking advantage on their platform. Now we look at CoinGecko. Now that's how Bitcoin doing for the day. Okay, and let's look at a little bit of fundamental analysis on the Bitcoin side. Okay, Bitcoin side, the fundamental, we can look at CoinGecko. We can also look at this other website right here. There's another website right here somewhere. After CoinGecko, that is a no, I mean CoinDesk. What is our website again? No, crypto. Let's see Decrypt. Where is Decrypt? I have it open somewhere here. Okay, this one. We can see if there's any big thing going on. It says crypto giants, NFT. There's not much going on. Okay, there's not much going on. It's the U.S. Secret Service most wanted link because several crypto fraudulent. Well, whatever you guys talking about. Invest, but okay. So you guys see this? These are the things that you want to be looking at. This is mass adoption here. Some people are making money off it. You see, these are great scale. Okay, they just bought a dip. They bought 29 million of Bitcoin. Why are you scaring? You're getting scared. You think they're going down. Okay, be my guest. Okay, but you're looking at here. The data is actually saying otherwise. All right. Now, CoinDesk platform, what is going on? Okay, definitely Internet Control Protocol token now down 95%, nearly 2 months. Oh yeah, this is I don't know if it's a scam, but I didn't invest in me personally. I didn't invest in that ICO. Also, this is saying custodian prime trust for type of crypto lender services. Okay, that's fine. That's good for you. In the UK, police seized cryptocurrency was almost $160 million of money laundering probe. Okay, this is another third here. Okay, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They're trying to put people, into fear, thinking that yeah, this is about to happen. Well, we're not in that era no more. It's too late, guys. Bitcoin E has already been adopted. Now, I'm gonna show you what I was. Before I show you guys that, let me jump a little bit on the Epic. Okay, because this is the reason why I'm here. And before I do that, actually, hold on, let me stop sharing real quick. And then log into my Epic. Okay. Log into my Epic. Pause the share. All right, boom. I just wanted to show you guys how my Epic back office is doing. You guys look this. Look, guys, look. You see, I don't even care about the commission, okay? But look, guys, how many information are you guys missing? How many information? Look at all of this information. Look at all of this information here, okay? You got, let's go to the main board, okay? You're gonna see a whole bunch of different information here that definitely you can take advantage of. They're giving people signal, they're giving people healthcare system, they're giving people education, they're giving people like different resources that will allow you to be and like financially independent. That will allow you to take your financial in control. You don't have to wake up early. You don't have to do nothing. All you gotta do is to follow, and be productive. If you can learn, if you can learn from your phone, you can learn from anything. That means, yeah, you can take advantage of it. Okay, so you guys can see here, the back office is looking very, very good. They have all these different things that they're offering you here. So I'm not gonna try to go deep on this one, but as I told you guys already, they're about to launch the scanner. Okay, they're about to launch the scanner, and the scanner will allow you, to do a whole bunch of different things that you wasn't even able to do. So all these are they offering you all these live sessions. All these are live sessions. So you guys, you're looking at all of these traders here, all of these traders. Okay, we got multiple multi-millionaire traders that are on this platform here that teach you how they do and how they make their money. Okay, they will show you the way so you can also make money. You can also be able to be profitable on your own. All right, and you see, this is how everything is structured in Epic. Everything is structured, and it's not. This is all about education. They give you education, and they have a whole back office. They have a whole university for you. This is a university here. This university here. Look. Even as a beginner, you don't need to be like a guru in forex trading. Even a beginner, if you can use your phone, you can text messages and stuff like that. You can definitely do this. Okay. So enough for talk. I just wanted to introduce you guys. They just launched the Epic 3.0. Yeah. So we're out here right now, and yeah, we're definitely making that money. Okay, we're making the money, so it's up to you if you want to join. Actually, hold on, give me 1 second. Oh, 1 second, I'm trying to do this. Hold on, guys. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's about it. We're wrapping it up. The last thing we're gonna talk about is these two ICOs here. I'm gonna talk about these two ICOs, not in depth. I'm gonna do a different live about it, okay? And this is an ICO that is about to launch. They're about to finish the ICO. This is about to end, like, let's say in 5 days, probably less than 5 days. And I have personally invested in this ICO, and I'm actually up a little bit, okay? I was expecting more in that ICO, but I got another one here, which is the PointPay. Okay, I'm also up in this one. This is actually one of the best for me right now that have, done very, very good for me. So if I show you this, for example, I'm gonna show you how my shit is doing. If I even show you that, let me just take you. Okay, I'm gonna take you with me. You can also enjoy the view. All right. Yeah. You guys.
Yeah, that's the city of Miami. Okay, we trade in Miami. Okay, we're live right now, so this is how much money, we're making. Look at that account, guys. Look at that account. Look at that account. I started this account was right here. If you look at this cell right here, what it's saying over there? It's saying 4,100. Okay, 41,178 dollars. Okay, so if you look at that account right now, it's 16. It's sitting at how much? $16,000. 477,000. Okay, that's how much this account is worth right now. So I took that account from 4,000, mind you guys. And what was the date? Can anybody tell me what was the date for that? Can anybody tell me what was the date for that? The date that I invested. It was what? It was March 31st of this first, of this same 2021. And I'm already up more than $10,000. Right? So you guys can do the same thing. You just gotta join us. You can do the same exact thing. You just gotta join us. Okay? Now, this other one, PointPay, as I told you guys, they're about to pay 11%. Okay, they're about to be increasing 11% in within 3 days. Within 3 days, 10 hours, they're gonna be increasing 11%. So whatever investment you have, you're gonna be having like 11% in profit. Okay, guys, and you can see, how the thing is doing here. They have 5-star rating on all of these different ICO ICO managers. These are different websites that track and rate different ICOs. You can see here there are 5-star on most of them, and they got different, social media platform with different languages. Okay, you guys are looking at it here. They want the number one blockchain, and they do blockchain-based banking. Whatever you can do with the bank, traditional bank, like lending money, like checking and saving account, all of that, they'll offer you all of that. Okay, this is how the platform look, and they have the tokenomics. These are all the coins that they accept. You can switch all of that. They offer, API way high if you hold your Coinbase token. Okay, it's almost 30% of API. And they have the mobile app. This is where you can get the mobile app, the iOS app too. They have all of that. Okay, so this is something definitely you want to be looking at if you want to be making money. Okay, this is another ICO that is ongoing right now. So in 3 days, they're gonna be increasing their money. All right, guys. Now, last thing is PancakeSwap. I want to introduce you guys to PancakeSwap. I know most of you guys are already familiar with PancakeSwap. Okay, let me get back to my hotel because it's getting a little bit noisy outside. Yeah, so as I'm saying, you guys can also take advantage of this one. Okay, this is PancakeSwap. Okay, and PancakeSwap will allow you, okay, to farm your token. Okay, by farming your token, you get what? You get APY. Okay, APY is yield farming. Okay, annual percentage yield. You farming. Okay, if you go to the farm, you harvest and all of that, and then you get the yield. So the yield that they offer here sometimes are very very high. And this is something that is a little bit of solid. A little bit of promising because everybody PancakeSwap. They come from Binance and stuff like that. They actually contain Binance smart and smart contract, so they allow you, to invest, to provide liquidity and, to stake your token and stuff like that so you can get different rewards, okay? So you can also take advantage. You can see, for example, this one right here is offering what? 440 APR, annual percentage rate, okay? And the liquidity that is locked, if you want to take, if you want to know more about it, you just click on detail, okay? It will give you more details about it. It will let you know how much you're going to earn and how much you're getting, okay? For example, you click on multiply, give you all these different information. And if you want to provide liquidity, okay, let's say we go to pools. These are the different pools. It's called zero pools, okay?
Everybody look, you see, I'm sorry. You see right now, you can see right here at the bottom on the left side, you can a little bit. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyway, we're about to wrap this up. So this is the Pancake Swap. Okay, this is the Pancake Swap platform. Let me show you the trade section. Liquidity. You go to liquidity. Okay. Is loading the liquidity. So in this section, you can provide liquidity. And also by you providing the liquidity, that means you can be able to get, some money from you locking your coins so they can use it to provide liquidity for different traders, okay? So my internet is kind of lacking right now. I'm in a hotel, the internet is not stable. Okay, I'm just gonna try to wrap this up right now because, we have been talking a little while right now. So it was very nice, for you guys to be here. Really appreciate it. Okay. I hope you guys have some value from this and also try to look it up. Okay. Look up for Epic. Okay. Epic is something that you don't want to miss. You want to be part of. Okay. This is something where you can learn how to make your own wealth, how to be your own boss, how to be independent. Okay. How to be financially free. So definitely look up to this one, and then I'll be doing more videos about Epic, and so I will try to let you guys know in case anybody want to join and be part of our community. Okay. With that being said, guys, I really appreciate you guys being here on this live today, and then tomorrow I'm doing another live. Okay, we're in Miami right now, and then yeah, we're about to turn off. We're gonna take multiple trades on the beach here. We're gonna go on the yacht cruise. We're gonna do all of that. We're having fun in Miami. Okay, so with that being said, I'll say hasta la vista, hasta luego. Muchas gracias. Well, pretty soon I'm gonna start doing some live in French. Okay, it's gonna be some live in French because I have a whole bunch of my members that are on here right now. And they actually don't speak English. Okay, and I need to do another section for them so they can be able to also take care of it. So I'm about to wrap this up and I'm gonna say hi to them. Bonsoir la famille, j'espère que tout le monde va bien. Nous sommes actuellement ici en train de parler de comment essayer de prendre avantage des monnaies digitales qui se passent en ligne, dont tu peux faire l'argent. Et puis, vous voyez un peu, ce sont des personnes qui vous montrent comment prendre $1, multiplier ça à $100. OK? Et il n'y a rien de magique dedans. C'est ce que les banques font. OK? Les banques, les grandes banques internationales, les nationales que vous connaissez. OK? Ceci sont leurs stratégies. C'est comme ça, ils multiplient leur argent. Quand tu déposes ton argent à la banque, ils ne le gardent pas pour toi. Ils le prennent et puis ils l'investent dans ces marchés-là. OK? Ce sont des marchés digitaux. D'accord? Donc, si vous voulez prendre davantage aussi, nous sommes là pour vous. C'est pour vous montrer comment ça fonctionne. Voilà. Donc, c'est tout ce que vous voyez ici, là, c'est de l'argent qui est là. C'est de l'argent qui est là. Donc, si vous voulez prendre davantage, en tout cas, c'est le bon moment et il n'est jamais trop tard, quoi. Donc, je vais essayer de faire un autre live et puis ceci sera en français. Voilà, donc je vais essayer de décortiquer un peu plus et puis par là, on va voir comment faire pour pouvoir aider plus de personnes à adhérer à cette communauté, d'accord? Maintenant, nous allons essayer de conclure cette live maintenant parce que ça fait au moins 1 heure que nous sommes là. Merci beaucoup, merci infiniment à tous et toutes. J'apprécie votre présence ici et puis essayez de vous mobiliser pour faire quelque chose pour vous-même parce que si vous ne le faites pas, personne ne le fera. Vous serez dépendant le reste de votre vie. OK? Et nous aussi, nous sommes là, on est encore en train d'étudier. OK? Nous ne sommes pas des connaisseurs, mais seulement nous essayons. On essaie de suivre les traces, OK? De ces personnes que nous sommes venus rencontrer ici. Et généralement, ils vont nous guider dans le meilleur chemin par rapport à nos finances, ok? Nos finances, comment est-ce que tu dois te comporter économiquement. Macro et micro, ils te montrent tout, comment l'argent fonctionne. Et puis, c'est quelque chose qui est caché. Les banques ne veulent pas que tu sois au courant de ça. Donc, si eux, ils te le montrent, donc tu peux prendre avantage aussi, quoi. Voilà, donc, de cela, je dirais merci à tout un chacun d'être ici. Et Ceci sont les différents websites que nous avons utilisés aujourd'hui. Celui-là, c'est Yahoo Finance. Celui-là, c'est, comment dirais, celui qui utilise une monnaie d'une république à elle seule, OK? Et cet autre-là, ici, c'est elle qui aussi utilise la puissance d'une monnaie à un temps actuel, OK? Actuellement, vous voyez que l'euro est le dominant, OK, dans le marché. Et puis, il vient comment vous appelez ça en français? Je dirais le livre sterling, et puis vient le US dollar, et puis vient le dollar australien, et puis vient le Japon. Okay? Donc, nous avons aussi utilisé d'autres websites ici qui sont très, très utiles. Bon, je vais essayer de faire, comment dirais-je, une totalité en français un peu plus tard, et puis on verra comment ça marche, quoi. Allez, merci à tout un chacun. Yeah, thank you guys for being here. I'm about to end this live right now. I'm about to end this live, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, most likely on the page. All right, guys. Thank you and stay tuned.